Good morning, welcome. Welcome to the Jet Business. I want to introduce you to a new concept we have introduced into the world of corporate aviation. It is the first showroom and trading floor and fuselage gallery that exists ever in the world in corporate aviation. And we've designed a custom application to bring buyers and sellers through a complete app to learn how to buy an airplane, what's available in buying an airplane, what is the difference in sizes and performance and operating costs and all kinds of things. So let's say we take this app and we say that we're going to have a budget of $29 million. Basically how old of an airplane that the people would look to buy, and say we keep it at let's say 9 years. And then we go how many people the people want to carry, so we can increase this to as many people as they want. But if you want something even bigger than these airplanes, then you want to follow me into this room and we can show you something more real. We'll pass here into what we have here is an actual full-size Airbus corporate jet. And this is an actual size of an aircraft. It's an Airbus ACJ319. If we go back a little bit further, you enter into the dining room or the conference room. From the front entrance you see the living room, this is the dining room, and then through these doors here is the bedroom of the Airbus. Also, if we do have a high net worth person or a celebrity or a politician or something that really is trying to be a little bit more discreet about being inside this office, because some people don't want to be known that they're in a window buying a private jet. We also have a little bit of a secret private door back here, so people can come in very discreetly and enter right from their car with their security or whatever, right through the rear entrance, and come in or exit without anybody in the front entrance of the building knowing. I started learning how to fly when I was 14 years old, and I have a degree, a bachelor's degree in aeronautical studies. And I was a lobbyist on Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. for a few years when I first came out of university, representing all the aircraft manufacturers. It's quite a while ago. And I started selling airplanes probably about 30 years ago. It's unique because you learn really what's going on in the world economies. You learn about what sectors are up and coming. You learn about the financial markets. You learn about it from really firsthand from the people who are the biggest players in the world. And it's actually, our schedules have been pretty full, seeing people coming through. And I mean, it's a first-class problem to have, but when you have two extremely uber high net worth people coming in at the same time and you're in a meeting with one person and another one comes in, it's really delicate how you handle that situation. I didn't think that would be a problem, but it is becoming a first-class problem.